We've got this GT3 Porsche in the shop that we thought we'd do a quick video on, give you the rundown and some highlights of what we got up to with it. The owner has sent it to us to have it returned back to original showroom condition. Stone chips, scratches, dents, ripples, scuff marks, things of that nature, so nothing out of the ordinary. Pretty straightforward for us to repair, and where it's at now is it's been resprayed, flow coated, and back in the shop here to be assembled, detailed and polished. Any inquiries, give us a call here at STREETE'S Paint and Body.
What is it you want to do when you grow up?
Hey yo, I'm gonna be on TikTok. That's all my eyes can see. Victory is mine, yeah, surprisingly. I've been laying, waiting for your next mistake. I put in work and watch my status escalate. Now I'ma start collecting props, connecting plots, networking like a conference. Cause the nonsense is yet to stop. Jake, shake me down, haters wanna take me down, break me down, clap. All they heard was a sound. Yo, I scoped it out. I took your weak dream and choked it out. Your bitch don't really got no ass. She just poked it out on the D-Lo. I'm saying you versus me, yo. We can do this shit right here in front of your people. See, time is money, kid, and BS walks. And to me, it's funny, kid, when you meet heads talk. I see feds stalk. They wanna dig up the dirt, son. Is it me they hawk? Cause I be putting in work, son. Gonna be on TikTok. That's all my eyes can see. Victory is mine, yeah, surprisingly. I've been laying, waiting for your next mistake. I put in work and watch my status escalate. Your cornballs get stonewalled, blackballed, I own y'all. The veteran, running my plan, I'm the better man. Crazy raw, doing my job like the mob.
What's going on?
Just got the seats out, just got the cage out, just so we can get this one trim off here. Just so you can access the corner windows, you get the last trim off the outside. And we're ready to hook in.
My nigga.
That's all my eyes can see. Victory is mine, yeah, surprisingly. I've been laying, waiting for your next mistake. I put in work and watch my status escalate.
Border qualified pro in this business of rap. Qualified pro in this business of rap. Qualified pro in this business of rap.
Are you working? What kind of work do you do?
Alright, what is it you want to do when you grow up?
While the world up above keeps burning like a riot. Time slips and light fades, and I know all I need in the world I'll find out there tonight.
car, very raunchy, and looking forward to finishing it up and having a fuck finishing it up. Pretty sure I'm talking nonsense right now, so yeah, come and have a look at it and suck me in. It rocked up. It just had and flow coated. It's back in the shop to be assembled, detailed and polished, and so